Seasonal rodent bait kit DIY pest control products can give homeowners an effective, label-compliant option to reduce sudden rodent surges. Choose ready kits from reputable brands that include label-aware rodenticide or repellent and compatible tamper-resistant stations, and always read the label start to finish before you handle any material. Place stations where rodents travel, such as along walls, behind appliances, and near entry points, leaving at least one station per 10 linear feet in high-activity zones and checking them at least twice weekly to record bait take. Keep detailed purchase and placement records, including product name, active ingredient, lot number, date of deployment, and exact locations, so you can track efficacy and comply with any local registration requirements. Store unused bait in a locked, cool, dry container away from children and pets, and never mix products. Only use the bait type specified on the kit label for the target species. When disposing of used bait in empty containers, follow label disposal instructions precisely and wear gloves to avoid transfer of residues. If you are unsure about a label term like restricted use pesticide, ask your local extension service for clarification before buying. Homeowners often place stations too close together or out in the open, which reduces uptake and increases non-target exposure, so move stations to run along gnaw marks and travel paths and keep them anchored to avoid disturbance. A second common issue is failing to keep accurate records and registration where required, which complicates follow-up and potential reporting, so photograph placements, log dates, and bait amounts, and complete any manufacturer or regulatory registration promptly. Third, people sometimes reuse old bait or mix different active ingredients, which can cause resistance or unintended chemical interactions, so discard expired products and use only the product specified in the kit. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and learn practical project approaches related to rodent control and other home needs. Our site connects contractors with customers and hosts an active discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and trade tips.